Alright, this little Bernedoodle is Sniffler. And he can see too. Everyone can see now. He's got little pokies. I can feel when he tries to bite on my finger. They're barely out, but you can feel them. I mean, if he decided to bite hard, they would definitely smart a little. Can we see your teepees? He's like, no. Yeah, you can see those little guys in there. You can see the little guys in there, huh, buddy? Yes, is that your itchy spot? Yes, it is. You're a sweetie, Sniffler. Yes, you are. You're so beautiful. Can you get up? You little fatty fat? You little... I know that's a soft blanket, huh, buddy? That's a soft blanket, huh? Yes, it is.